Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the formula to factor in lunch breaks when calculating working hours on your timesheet. So first, make sure your internet connection is on, then we're going to create our timesheets. We're going to set up the labels first before filling in the appropriate details. So in column A here, enter date. In column B, enter start time. In column C, enter end time. In column D, enter lunch break. And in column E, enter working hours. I'm going to change this to total working hours. Then select all the labels you entered here and make the text bold. Then just expand the section to accommodate the text. Then select everything once again and align the text in the center. You could also add the border around. I'm going to do that and just give it a plain color, anything you want. I'm going to stick with this green. Now, to make it a lot easier to enter the dates under this section, select the spaces underneath it, as many as you wish. Head over to data and select data validation. Then click add row and change the criteria from drop down to is valid dates. Scroll down and select reject the inputs. Then click on done. You can cancel that. And if you just double click any of the spaces you selected earlier, a calendar will pop up, making it a lot easier to enter the dates. I'm just going to select 1 to fill this space here. And now under start time, just enter the start time. I'm going to do that. And enter the end time too. Then select the text under the start time. Head over to format. Select number. Then format it as time. Do the same thing with the end time as well. And this step is very important to ensure that the formula we write under total working hours here works properly. Under lunch break, enter the lunch break duration. So if it was 30 minutes, instead of writing it as 30, write it with decimals. So 30 minutes will be 0.5, 1 hour will be 1.0, 1 hour 30 minutes will be 1.5, and so on. Then under total working hours here, we're going to write our formula. Enter equals and open brackets. Then select the end time minus the start time, close it with a bracket, then times 24. And what this does is convert the total working hours, the results we get at the end, from days to hours. Then enter minus and select the lunch break. Then hit enter. And when you hit enter, you see it will format it as the time. But to change that, simply select the cell, head over to format, then number, and select number here. And you get the total working hours. In this case, this is 1 hour 30 minutes, 1.5 hours. You don't need to write this formula all over again whenever you want to calculate the new information. Simply select the cell and click and drag on the blue corner to apply the formula to as many other rows as you wish. And it will look empty at first since you don't have anything filled on the other side. And don't accept this suggestion, cancel it. When you fill in the appropriate data in these spaces here, the total working hours will change. Let me show you. And now you see the total working hours has changed since I entered data into these spaces. And make sure you format the start time and the end time right here in number and select time so that the formula works properly. And that's all for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.